Hey, it's Scott coming to you live again from my home in Sugarloaf. Happy Wednesday, here with another video on how to make money online 2024 with copy and paste affiliate marketing. Yes, you heard me correct. So be sure to smash the subscribe, okay, and hit that bell up top over here. Make sure you never miss a video from me when I upload it, so you never miss any bonuses or giveaways that I'm doing, okay? So here we go. This is what we call online consistent money, and ask yourself this question, folks. Just ask yourself this question. Do you want to make $800, $2,400, or $4,000 per sale, okay? And allow me to give you bonuses up to $1,000 and a one level bump. Yes, you heard me right. So what is a one level bump, folks? A one level bump is when you start at one product package and you go to the next, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So if you start at the 800 commissionable product, you're going to go up to the 2400 commissionable product. If you start at the $2,400 commissionable product, you're going to go up to the $4,000 commissionable product. But don't worry, it's all going to be explained in this video in under 10 minutes, okay, folks? So while you're watching this video now, when you're done watching this, the link is in the description below. Make sure you go to the description below so you can follow the simple instructions, which are copy and paste instructions, because we set everything up for you. All right, so when you put your email address in here, folks, it's going to take you to this page. And what are you going to do here? You're going to watch the video. This explains everything, and as you can see, no experience necessary. As you can see, there's a lot of detailed information in here. Look at that. As you can see, so make sure you go through here so you understand this. So when you click this button to see the products and find out the team, yes folks, they close your sales for you. So let me scroll down real quick here. So as you can see, this is what you call a VSL page, custom VSL page, video sales letter. It's custom to the affiliate of the Online Consistent Money. So you're going to have the same exact page with your name and phone number to call the team. Gail or Bob, the owner, will get back to you. But before you do that, you're going to want to go through these two videos. As I said, you want to watch this video in full. You're going to want to watch this video in full. This explains the product and service. I'm going to touch on that. Then we're going to show you the bonuses. And I also want to let you know that there is 0% out of pocket, okay? So you could start your business. Yes, you heard me right. This is a business. This isn't a hobby. You could start your business 0 out of pocket. So you will click here after done reviewing. Here, this is step by step in case you just want to see it in one spot. You're going to be able to step by step listed here the exact, what does that say? The exact steps to get started, okay? And just so you know, I want to just go back over here. When you could click here, it's going to take you to your steps to get financing if you want to start 0 out of pocket with your business. So what do you say here? So after you put your information in the description, you read everything, you're going to come into here, you're going to watch this, you're going to go through all this, and I'm going to explain to you what this is, okay? So we close the sales for you. This is by far the easiest and fastest way to make money online. Yes, it is, because it's what it is. It's high ticket affiliate marketing. It's a membership. Everyone needs advertising, and advertising is expensive. But we give you the advertising at a discounted rate. Just like Carol D right here. She's very happy with OCM. Be sure to watch these testimonials. There's more coming up. I still have to put mine back here, okay, folks? Your bonuses for getting started, what are we? Okay, bonus number 1, you don't have to speak to anyone. We do all the selling and telling for you. And my bonus at the end is going to show you how it's even more copy and paste and easier for people to have your leads see this opportunity. Bonus 2, okay? They make the sales for you. You keep 100% of the commissions. Yes, you heard me correct. You receive 800 direct sales, 800, 2400, $4,000 commissions for level 1, 2, and 3, respectfully. Do you have questions before joining? Now, everybody has questions, and this is where the problem is answered. No problem. You can schedule a call, text with us anytime. The number is on this page. Yes, you heard me correctly. You've seen it before. The number is 1-800-576-2917. After reviewing this, call them, tell them Scott Darvid sent you, and you want my value stacks. And I'm going to show you my value stacks in a minute when I'm done showing you this awesome system, okay? Bonus number 4, okay? When you start, yes, we're a traffic membership. And folks, let me come into here. As you can see, we have a gold membership, which is the $1,000 product package, which you get 10% off. And I'm going to show you how you can start at the gold, go to the platinum, okay, to get 20% off traffic orders. And the best part here, another bonus, I'm going to start your business. So the only thing you're going to have to do is send an email to scottsbonuses@gmail.com so we can set your system up. OCM can send you your page and we can get your traffic flowing. And look at this, Diamond, 30% off. Yes, I'm a Diamond member. Now, just to give you an example, they're $1 a click. You're going to get 30% off at the Diamond. But if you do start at the Platinum package, folks, guess what? You're going to go up to the Diamond. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get into how you're going to get how you're going to get this one level bump up, how you're going to get an additional $250, $500, $1,000 commissionable all under one roof, okay? So this is why OCM is setting up custom sales. You want to go through all this. So does OCM really work? Yes, look at Dan from Florida, $12,800 in just 4 days. It's a great system. Yes, they do the work. You keep all the commissions. All right, enough about what this is. You're going to go through this. Let's take you over to the bonuses. So what are your bonuses? Let's take you over to this bonus stock right here. And this bonus stock is below. So this is Scott's 2024 MIF automated system. Take action with MIF. Get one level bump up in OCM. What is multiple income funnel? Let's take you here to my multiple income funnel. This is a system that has your links, all right? It's plug and play already, and it has your income streams. And what I mean by copy and paste, and don't worry, we're going to do this for you. As you can see, income stream number 2 is online consistent money, and income stream number 3 is Powerline Hub. So let's go back over here. So when you start at the gold, you're going to get $250, okay, the L250. So you're going to be able to get $100 and $250 commissions, plus you're going to get leads, okay? Plus you're going to get leads, okay? You're going to get 500 leads, and you get 500 leads, and I'm going to send 100 premium clicks to you. And if you get start and multiple income funnel, which you need already, yes, folks, you need already, because this is a done-for-you autoresponder and system. It's $49 a month or $350 for the year. What I'm going to do is you're going to get a bump up from the gold to the $2,400 commissions, okay? And if you start at the platinum, which is the middle, you're going to get my Powerline Hub L500, okay? And then I'm going to show you how this is all going to look in the end. You're going to get my Powerline Hub L500. You're going to get 1,000 leads. And you're going to have additional $100, $250, $500 commissions. And remember, you get all my live academies. You'll get the live Facebook training. You'll get my live email training. You'll get the live SMS training, okay? You'll get all that. It's every Monday, 7 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you email scottsbonuses@gmail.com after getting set up here. But if you do start here and you start with the multiple income funnel, and folks, I just want to show you, multiple income funnel does pay. Just so you know, they just paid me out $500 here. I made $24,000, $894 with it. And this is all residual, because guess what? Every business needs this, and it's been paying me now for the last 3 years. And we make it seamless now with our copy and paste, my team working with you to help you work that 1 hour a day to transition out of firing your boss, right, into this like I've been doing since 2018, folks. I'm sorry, 2016. 2018, I combined text message marketing and email marketing, and I exploded. And that's what we're teaching here. So let's go back over to our bonus doc right over here, and then I'm going to show you exactly how your system's going to look up when it's set up. So again, you start at the gold. You're going to get everything listed here, and this document is below in the description. You start here. You're going to get gold, and you go with multiple income funnel. You're going to get bumped up to $2,400 commissions here. And of course, you start here. You're going to get bumped to here. But if you do start here, you're going to get my L1000 in my Powerline Hub. You're going to get live YouTube training. You're going to get every Monday night training. You're going to get how many leads, folks? You're going to get 2,000 leads, all right? You're going to get 400 clicks of premium traffic. This is at the Diamond, okay? This is at the Diamond. And I forgot to add, at the Platinum, you're also going to get 200 clicks. So That's what that is, folks. It's very simple. And let me show you, after you're set up with everything, what this is going to look like when I go into my business, when you set up your income streams. And we're going to copy and paste all of this for you. We're also going to send you the document with the data. That's the videos. That's everything. We just need some of your information so we can take care of it for you. And when you view your income streams, this is what it's going to look like. You're going to come over here to income streams. Income stream number one's multiple income funnel. What is multiple income funnel? It's the engine that runs your business. It's an email autoresponder, lead capture page system, and you have all your training and resources to do in your spare time, while online consistent money right here is making the sales for you and calling your teams as your leads call in on the page, okay? On this page right here, which it's going to be custom with your name, but you're going to call this number, tell them Scott Darvid sent you, and you want my value stacks, and you want me to start your business, okay? And we're going to take you back over here. And then Powerline Hub, yes, folks, look at that. You're going to have the same verbiage as me. This is my back office. Yours is going to look like that. And you're going to have the traffic authority, the traffic authority that also pays you up to $3,200 in commissions, and that's how I'm going to start your business with one of my premium traffic sources. I use OCM for traffic and here, and I like OCM for the big ticket done for you commissions. All right, folks, let's recap real quick. You're going to go to the description below. You're going to click on this link, put your email address in here. Going to watch this page. You're going to view this. Make sure you watch all the videos here. Check out the step-by-step and the zero financing at the bottom. And this is the zero financing here. Follow these steps. This is the step-by-step, how you join, what you have to do. And I look forward to connecting with you, folks. I'll see you on my next YouTube video. Bye for now.